Hello, everyone, and happy Friday. I just want to walk you through the expectations for Friday. So, we're already in Schoology, we're already in the May 4 to May 8 folder, and this is the last day that will be in that folder. I've got Friday, May 8 expanded already, so here's what's going on for that day. The first thing you're going to do is take care of your reading log. If you see your name anywhere in the folder, make sure you take care of your jobs where you see your name. The next thing I want to point out is every Friday, since the beginning, you've had this reminder right here that I'm underlining that all of your assignments are due on Fridays at 3 p.m. You do have the weekend to catch up on the assignments, but everything is supposed to be due on Fridays. But I will check over your work if you're still doing it over the weekend. That's okay. Once you have completed your assignments for the whole week, you can move into checking Senko's feed. You can also take care of your typing skill practice. After you've finished everything, so not just this folder, but the ELL assignments, the assignments for Mrs. Diggins, anything for band, orchestra, and specials, then you can click on the I'm finished, now what can I do link. That's the optional activities that you can work on once you've finished everything else. So again, when you finish everything, please don't forget to click where it says groups and take a look at what's going on with Miss Checo, Mrs. Hensel, and the nurses. Also, because it's Friday, don't forget we've got our class meeting at 11:30, and you can wear your purple and gold on Fridays. If you have questions about anything or need help with anything, please come to the chat or send me a message, and I will talk to you later.